qualifying shows one thing. You are not someone who just memorized the law. Welcome to another law school tip. The art of qualifying. Minsan ang tamang sagot ay depende. Of course, the general rule, pick a side. Yes or no. But sometimes the teacher is really looking for an it depends answer. But if you're gonna use it depends or depende, say it like a lawyer. So in the exam, hindi palaging complete ang facts, no? Sometimes kulang, sometimes vague, and sometimes that is really intentionally missing. So that's where qualifying comes in. So qualifying shows one thing. You are not someone who just memorized the law. You know the nuances of the law. So it tells the examiner, I understand the rule, the exceptions, and what facts matter. My warning is qualify only when needed. Okay? Don't qualify just to look smart. Qualify because the facts demand it.